Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide Away with these guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to delete your crypto.com account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So if you're trying to delete your crypto.com account, then here is a step-by-step process. So first of all, you need to prepare an email to send to contact@crypto.com. The subject should be close account. Then you'll have to include your identity verification like your full name, the date, and crypto.com. Take a clear picture of yourself holding the paper, then attach the picture to the email. Then in the email content, you'll have to include a few reasons to close your account. Then send the email to contact@crypto.com. Once you do that, your application will be submitted and crypto.com customer service will look after it. Once your application is reviewed and if they find it genuine, they will help you try deleting your account. But till then, you'll just have to wait. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.